how to create a contact QR code and share it on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And in here, tap on contacts. After that, we go back to the contact list and then open up the contact that you want to create the QR code. For example, I'm going to open up AAA and then tap on more. From the pop-up menu, select QR code. And here, this will generate a QR code for that particular contact. After that, you can tap on the share button. And from here, you can share to your favorite contacts, or you can share it via messenger app such as WhatsApp, Messages, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and so on. So select a method of sharing, and that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.